Hello everyone, let's make this super moist, super delicious chocolate cake together. We will start by preparing our dry ingredients together. Into a bowl, we will be sifting 2 cups of all-purpose flour and half cup of cocoa powder. This method is the easiest chocolate cake recipe ever. It is very simple to make. Anybody can literally make it. Once that is done, we'll go ahead and add 1 cup of sugar. Next, we'll be adding half tablespoon of vanilla sugar. You can use vanilla essence. Then we'll go ahead and add our 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and half teaspoon of salt. Then we mix together. After mixing, make a well in the center. We'll be adding our liquid ingredients now so that it won't be messy. We'll go ahead and add 1 cup of milk, 2 whole eggs, half cup of vegetable oil. Then we mix very well until it's properly combined. Your batter should look like this after mixing, but we are not done. It's time to add our final ingredients, which is 1 cup of hot boiling water. Then we mix it very well until the batter looks runny. You can substitute the hot water with hot coffee. That is if kids are not going to eat the cake. Your cake batter should look like this after mixing. I know it looks runny, but don't worry, that is what we need so that our cake will be moist and very soft and delicious. After that, set the cake batter aside. Then get your baking pan and grease it. I will be using butter and some flour. You can use parchment paper if you want. Now that our pan is ready, we'll transfer the cake batter to it. Bake in the oven for 30 to 35 minutes at 160 degrees Celsius or 320 degrees Fahrenheit or until skewer inserted in the middle comes out clean. Transfer to a tray or a cooling rack and allow to cool down completely. Look at how soft the cake turned out. If you're coming across my video for the first time, thank you so much for watching. Please kindly consider subscribing to be a part of this family. If you're a returning viewer, welcome back. I appreciate all your support. Please don't forget to like and comment, and also feel free to share this recipe with your loved ones. Remember to check out the other videos in this channel. I'm sure you'll find something else you love. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video.